everyone, welcome back to A Taste of Indoor Lifestyle. This is Wednesday evening, and I have a taste for something like maybe a coffee mocha or coffee ice cream. So I'm gonna try this right here, this recipe, and see what I'm gonna come up with. Okay, let's get started. Can of condensed milk. I said it's about a cup of coffee and put that in there. Just a half cup of it. Let's see. Refrigerator for me. We're going to pour it into a container that is safe to go in the freezer. And said about an hour, then what I can do is take it, then I can go over it and break it with a fork, and I can eat it that way, or I can just eat it with kind of like soft and like creamy like. It's up to whatever texture that I'm looking for. So we're going to put this in the freezer and ready for our ice cream. Okay, welcome back in. Let's see how the ice cream going to be. Love it. Lovers out here. Awesome. Just don't want to stop eating. Like I said, you have to try this right here. This is called Awesome Taste of Indoor Lifestyle. Subscribe to my channel.